Question 6 in the diagram, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PS and QR, PS, QR are produced and meet at T. PR, PR bisects QPS. QPS. Also, PSR is equal to 92 degrees, and QPS, where is QPS? Okay, QPS is 68 degrees. Right. First one, calculate the size of the following angles RPT. So RP, where's T? PT. So it's this one, P2 basically. So how do we determine that? So they told us here in the information that PR bisects this angle over here. So we're going to have to divide 68 by 2. So RPT 68 divided by 2 is 34 degrees, and our reason there is PR bisects QPS. Right, 6.2. We need to find TQS. Okay, let's have a look. TQS. So TQS, that's that angle over there. So what would that be? So we see this chord is R, and we know this chord subtends that angle that we just found, and that was 34, and it also subtends that angle at the circumference, so that also needs to be 34. So that's 34 degrees angles in same segment. Right, 6.3 PQS. Let's have a look. PQS. PQS. So this angle over here. PQS, praat met my. PQS. Okay, right. So we know this is 34. Then we can do sum of the angles of triangle to find R2. Once we have R2 would be the same as PQS because they are angles in the same segment. They share the same chord over there. Okay, so for PQS, let us say in triangle. Okay, now we don't need to go say all of that. We can just say R2 is equal to 180 minus the 92 plus the 34. Why can we say that? Sum of angles of triangle. So that's going to be 54 degrees. And then PQS is also 54 degrees because of angles in same segment. Right, 6.4. The size of T. We need to determine the size of T. Okay, so we know now what Q2 is. We know that's 34 because that was 34. We know this is 54. So TPQ form a triangle. So again, I can do sum of angles of triangle there. So angle T is 180 minus, okay, so we know that big angle is 68 minus plus 34 plus the 54. And that comes to 180 minus 54 minus 34 minus 68. 24 degrees. Boom shakalaka.